Hi, I'm Sri Bergeron, and today we're going to talk about shipping terms. So we cover this in the merchandise chapter when we're buying and selling merchandise inventory. So our two choices for shipping terms are going to be FOB Destination and FOB stands for free on board. It's a legal term, and it's FOB Destination. And then the other one is FOB Shipping Point. All right, so I'm first going to tell you what the rule is as far as who pays shipping and what account do we debit when we do this. All right, so for FOB Destination, that means that the goods change hands at the destination, which means that the seller pays. And I'm going to give you a way to understand that in just a moment. So the seller pays the shipping. When the seller pays the shipping, the seller will debit shipping expense or freight expense, whichever one their company uses. All right, when it's FOB shipping point, then the buyer pays shipping. And so when the buyer pays shipping, they debit merchandise inventory. So now let's look and see how we can learn this. All right, let's say we're selling books and we're in Mississippi and we have sold these books to somebody in New York. So if it's FOB Destination, then we sell the books and it belongs to us all the way as we travel to New York. It belongs to the seller because it does not change hands until it arrives in New York. This is when the goods change hands. So because the seller, that's us, owned them all the way to the destination, then seller pays. So we're talking about that situation number one. Let's do the same thing again, but let's pretend like it is FOB shipping point. So in this case, right when we put it onto the truck, right here, it changes hands. They do not belong to us. We do not even go to New York with them. Instead, this buyer was responsible for them, the whole trip to them. And so therefore, for FOB shipping point, buyer pays. So if you just think about who owns the goods as it travels, you can always get to the correct answer of who pays shipping. Once you know who pays shipping, if it is that the seller pays shipping, it's a selling expense. Basically, we wanted to pay the shipping to help us make that sale. However, if the buyer's paying it, then it's just another cost of our inventory. We just need to add it to our inventory cost. It costs us the price of our inventory plus the shipping to get to us, and that's why we're going to debit merchandise inventory. So let me know if you have any questions.